Welcome back to Moonstone Crafts, and welcome back to another unboxing and bagging. I'm just keeping my hand here because there's a return address from the person that is from, and I don't want to expose that because I don't know. I think that's just her home address. So, and I can't turn it around because that's my address. So, this comes to me in the Netherlands from Ireland, and this is from, I can see her name, Karen, and she just started a shop called DiamondPaintingTrays on Etsy. I saw it on Instagram. I was like, I gotta try it out. It's in Ireland. It'll probably be here fast. I don't have to pay any extras because last time I did from Shiny Shaza, everything went right. I got it real fast. This came real fast too. So on the 11th of April, I ordered my stuff. She reacted, I think, the same night to me about, you know, if she saw the correct things that I ordered. So she asked me, in the meanwhile, let's open this. She asked me if everything was alright, if I ordered the things that she said. I ordered and I said, sure. I said who I was on Instagram, that I saw it there, and she was so nice. And I really liked talking to her just through Etsy messages. And I felt like, yes, I feel happy that I, you know, ordered here. So I ordered on the 11th, everything was fine, and it shipped out on the 15th of April. And today is the 25th of April, and I got it yesterday, so the 24th of April. So I actually managed to keep this closed for a whole day, which is not normal for me. But I just didn't have the time to film yesterday. So I'll get the package out so I can move my hand. It's in this little box, just a bit like it was with Shiny Shaza. Let me see if I can open it, or if I have to. Oh, there's a thank you sticker on here. Thank you for supporting my small business. And I just love that she just started out and I was there. And it looked cool, her trays, her diamond painting trays, because that's what she sold. And of course she also sells cover minders. So I was like, yeah, let's try it out. Why not? Because as I was saying before, also she's in Ireland, so I have better chances that way than if I order something from America. So I'm really careful with, I'm sorry, not ordering from America. Just it takes a very long time and it could be extra hidden expenses. Oh, this looks perfect. Oh, she says, hi Maaike. Thank you so much for your order. I hope you like the cover minder and of course the tray. I really appreciate the support with my new little business. Karen. Oh, thank you, Karen. I just love it. It's so personal. So we got a little lollipop. I haven't had a lollipop in a very long time. Look at that. Can I see which flavor it is? I think it's cherry. Ooh, that's interesting. So I'll just move that away. Ooh, there's kind of a clip in here. Don't know yet what it's for, but I like it. Ooh, there's just a cute little card in here as well. It's just a postcard, but I like it. Oh, I love all the little goodies with it already. I'm gonna get the box out of the way. So this is, here was the little note on. And she just started out of her own, with her mother or something. Wait, let me just search up the messages that I had with her, because I think it's important to know a bit more about a business in this case as well. Let me see what she said. She said, it's hard when you are first starting out. I had to get my mum to buy me resin and I'm slowly paying her back. I'm excited about my new little business and I'm going to package your order up and send it tomorrow. So she had to actually loan some money from her mother to you know, get the resin to make these trays. So I think it's, if you're interested in it after seeing this unboxing, you should definitely go check her Etsy out. and see if you can help her out in that way. It's hard starting a new little business, you know. There we go. I'm gonna keep that note as well, because that's so fun. And it's cool. I like the way it's packaged with washi tape and everything. Yeah, I'm excited about it already. So just another thank you note. I think this is gonna be the cover binder and this is the tray. I love how it's packaged also. Like in this nice little paper wrapping. It is like opening a gift, even though you bought it yourself. I like that she checked just before sending it out if, you know, if she saw it correctly and you got the right, stuff. She doesn't want to send the wrong stuff to you. And I was like, I don't mind if you send me the wrong stuff. I just want to support you. Oh, that's so cool. Oh, there's another one of these. I do have to ask her what these are for. Oh, but this is pretty. Oh, you get even labels with it. You get so many goodies. Oh, I love it, Karen. Thank you. This is nice. This is pretty. It's not a cover miner, but I don't care. It's just a little moon. That's so pretty. Thank you. I don't think I ordered that, but I'm happy with it anyways. And this is the tray. Look how that looks. That looks amazing. I do think it's a bit different color than I actually ordered. But as I was saying before, I don't mind what you send me. If it is a tray, I'm happy with it. I mean, this is even more beautiful than I think I ordered. So, I'm happy. Oh, this looks so nice. I'm stunned by it. Thank you so much, Karen. You have real talent. This is so pretty. So pretty. We're gonna try the drills out in it anyways soon. Let's see. This should be my little cover binder, I think. But this is a nice little surprise addition as well. I'm happy. I'm happy. It's better than I expected. Which is always a good thing, I think. Oh, there we go. Oh, she even put a little thing in between the magnets so it stays on something. That's cool. But this is a big cover binder, you guys. Where's my shot there? I'm zoomed in a bit, so it's hard for me to show you. Look at this sun. And then together with a little moon, even though that's not a cover binder. That is so cute. I should go this way. My nails are in the way. I'm sorry. But yeah, there's a little thing. It's a flat magnet on the back. And very thin, so I think that's cool. And that is the back. Oh, it's nice. It's easy to get off as well, so I think that's good. And I will definitely use this on my newest whip. Oh, I love it. This might be one of my favorite cover binders now. I don't have a big collection of cover binders yet. That's why I don't do any of the challenges to show you the trays or the pens or the cover binders, because I don't have that many yet. Otherwise I would definitely participate. But this is cool. So yeah. That. And then the little moon. Let's keep that in there so you can see it all in one shot. Oh, I love it, Karen. I do. I hope you see this video, but I'm gonna link, of course, her Etsy store and her, how do you call it? Her Instagram down below. I don't know if she's any other things, but if you do, please tell me. But this is cool. I do have to ask her where these are for. I don't know where you would use these for. But maybe you guys know where this is for. But it's a nice thing, I guess. I like all the goodies that you get with it. Even the labels, that's very nice. I was actually thinking of trying out some of the drills in here, of course. I do have some. Oh god, I bumped you guys, I think. Don't mind my table thingy. I do actually have dekitted some rounds from the DIY Moon Shop from Greece. So I have them here because they didn't fit in my storage yet. And I did it another place. So let's get some out and see how they are doing. They're rounds, so they're not squares. So I guess that's also important. But it's very light as well. I think I like that. And I like that it's so big. I don't like the small trays anyways. I really can't handle those. Oh, they're here, easily in here. I think we have a new good shop. I think Karen did a fabulous job. I mean, they go in here pretty nice. They slide around pretty good. Yeah. It holds very nice, and I like that it has a bit of a funnel towards here, so that it's easier to get them out again. I do have to say that that I think is the one thing I don't like about my shiny Shazza tray. Well, let me see how fast they go to the bottom. They do take some time to go to the bottom, but I think that's fine. It always looks like there's a hole in here, but it's just a star that's in here. Oh, this might be one of my favorite new trays. Yeah. And I do have the funnel, so I don't think I'm gonna do it this way. Let me get the funnel. There we go. Do I? Nah, I'm not gonna do that. I'm sorry. You guys won't know what I'm talking about, but that's fine. They do come out, just one stayed behind, but they do come out pretty easy. They all go into the funnel, so that's a good thing as well. So yeah, I like this a lot. I'm very happy with my order. I might want to place another order because it came here pretty quickly, and you know, she has some gorgeous trays. And oh, I love it. I love it a lot. This is gorgeous. Yeah, I'm very happy with it. So thanks again, Karen, for, you know, taking care of all this, being very very good about it. Also just asking beforehand, before you sent it, if everything is alright. I like a bit of customer service already, and you know, if you want to support her small business, if you want something so beautiful as this, please go check her out on Etsy or on Instagram. See if you can get yourself these beautiful things. I think she deserves everything. It's perfect. So I want to thank you all for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye!